Howdy, y'all. Dr. Geiger here, and I want to talk with you about our next project in technical writing. This project asks you to investigate the phenomenon of science or research accommodation, also referred to as science popularization. This is the process by which a writer takes scientific information and knowledge and makes it accessible to a non-specialist audience. This phenomenon occurs in all kinds of venues like TV, radio, newspapers, magazines, websites, podcast episodes, all over the place. Popular science writing and how it comes to be is important for us to think about for lots of reasons. One, popular science writing is the main venue by which many people gain their scientific facts, like what factors impact lobster populations in the Atlantic Ocean. It can be a source by which people come to understand the methods and processes that working scientists employ as they build and develop knowledge within their research community. It can also be a space in which we learn about the interactions of science with other social domains, like governmental organizations and agencies, community groups, business and industry. It's also important for you to pay attention to as students because you're gaining knowledge and information that constitutes your area of specialty, your area of expertise. And it's important for you to be able to know how you can communicate your expertise and your specialty to others in ways that are engaging, accessible, accurate, but also thoughtful in terms of how it invites engagement with the audience. It's also helpful for you to have this in your critical toolkit as you consume news and information for non-specialists that come from areas that are not your own. So you're a chemist, and how do you assess or gain knowledge from a news report about a physics experiment? So the concrete process that you will employ for this project is, one, identify a popular news story that reports on a research-based or scientific discovery or experiment. Find the original scientific paper, the study that was originally published or delivered for other scientists in that same specialty or area. Look at the two side by side and see what happens in that process of accommodating that research for a non-specialist audience. And then you're going to write all of that up into a report. I'm going to have a couple of other videos where I break down specific components of this process that hopefully might help if you have concerns about how to do specific parts of this project. And the rest of the unit guide has many resources to help you think about the importance of this project, of studying research accommodation, and how to specifically carry out different aspects of it. So I look forward to learning a lot from y'all and to seeing what you discover in your investigation of the process of scientific accommodation. Until next time, this is Dr. Geiger signing off in the cause.